Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be learning how to change any 3D model into Minecraft style, or if you want to call it pixel art style. So the model I'm going to be using is this Goku model. You can actually download it from the link in the description below. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thank you. So now we'll head on to Blender and then delete the default cube, and I'll just create a new collection, and I'll go into file, import .obj, and just navigate to my Goku model. So this is the Goku model, and I'll just change the light to sun and the value of 7. It's not important, but just for static reasons. And I'll also just turn off the camera because I just don't want it to get in my way. And I'll also turn on this setting, so just in case I want some things to be not affected by my accidentally clicking them. So now with this Goku model, I'll just go into front view, and the thing we want to do is first select it. We can see that it actually has 4 different types of material, so we will be separating them because that will actually make us easier to recolor the Minecraft version later on. So first of all, I'll just tab into edit mode, and while having this top material selected, I'll click on select, and it will automatically select all the regions that have the top material, and then I'll click on P, separate by selection. So I'll just call this as top just for easy identification. Then I'll go back into the mesh one again, and then tab into it, and then click on pants, and then select, and now it has automatically selected the one where it has the pants material. And then again I'm going to P, separate by selection. So I'll just keep doing the same thing. Then eyes, select, P, separate by selection again, and the last one is obviously face, so I'll just rename it as face. Now this is just the first part of separation. I'll show you how you have to separate the rest of them, and basically everything that has a different color will be separated even furthermore. So in the pants one, the blue belt and the orange pants are going to be separated. So I'm just going ahead, and in the belt I'll click on L, and then again click on L to just keep selecting the blue parts, and as you can see, and then L again, and then L again, and P, separate by selection, and I'll just call this pants blue. So you can actually separate these next parts yourself. I'll be back after I'll separate all the other parts as well. So now I have separated all of the parts separately: boots, pants, blue pants, the body, hair, etc. So I hope you have all these parts. So now what I'm going to do is duplicate this collection just in case if I actually need to change anything. So I'll just hide the original collection. So now this is a duplicated one. So first I'll just take on the I'll just select all of these and then move them to the side, and so just we can have a side by side comparison as well. And I'll just turn this off so that I can select the original one anymore. Now what we're going to do is first select the hair, then going to add a modifier, and then go into remesh. Now I'll go into blocks and turn off remove disconnected. Okay, and then change this to 6 or 7 or 8, whatever you like. I think 6 to 7 is good enough. And after that I'll just start selecting all the other parts, and then finally select the hair again, and then click on Ctrl L, and then we'll just copy modifiers. So now all of the model has the same modifier. So now the reason I actually separated all of them, we can easily just if we had just kept the model as one, then we would have a lot of problem recoloring it, retexturing it. So now I can easily just select this here, go into UV editing, and I'll just open the hair one. I think it's the top one, or here, yes, this one is it. So I'll just select the hair. And also you need to apply the modifier to actually really starting retexturing it, or else it won't work. So select it all. Once you're done, you're satisfied with everything, and then click on object, convert to mesh. This way all the modifiers have been applied. So now I'll just select the hair, select it all, and then I'll click on U Smart UV project, because again since it's Minecraft style, the texturing will still look reasonably good. Another thing you can do is, before rendering it, you can go into color management and instead of filmic, go with standard. This actually makes the colors more brighter and better for tone style. So I'll just click on the pants now, select all, and now I'm just going to go into the pants material and then click on U Smart UV project, and then click on OK, scale it down, move it around, and as you can see now, the pants are causing issues because it actually has the other materials. So now if I can remove that, and I can actually just have the pants, I'll just remove the other extra materials. Now I'll just click on the belt part, and again I'll just remove the extra materials, and U Smart UV project, OK, and then I'll just scale them and move on to just the blue part. Again, it's Minecraft style, so it actually works a lot well. So you can actually do the same with the rest of the body parts to easily finish the model. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel and watch for another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.